Alright, Sam here today, and I'm going to show you the easiest way that you can possibly imagine to do a ramp test. This is so easy, and we're going to do it on a small laser, we're going to do it on a big one, and all you need is one of these. And I'm going to include a link to this down below in the description, and this is going to be so easy you won't believe it. Alright, first one we're going to do it on is the Monport K40. It's kind of a small laser. I already have a line set up here in light burn to do. So we're just going to burn this. Now, I got a pencil here too, so it helps out. Now you'll notice what you want to look for is the narrowest part of this line. And to me, it looks to be about right there. And once you get that, you don't want to touch anything. And you want to move your laser head over top of that. Now, on this K40, we can move it by hand. It won't hurt anything. So now all you're going to do is stick your gauge up in